Hello friends, welcome to Autocad Solution. Today we are going to be designing brake discs. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos. So first we are going to start by drawing a cycle, creating several cycles of 24 units. Okay, so repeat same cycle command, pick same center point and enter radius of 22 units. Repeat the same cycle command, pick the same center points. Now enter a radius of 40 units. Good. Repeat the same cycle commands. Center point, enter a radius of 12 units. Okay, good. Now we have it. Now pick line command from the center point. Create a straight line. Ensure your auto mode is on. Perpendicular line to the top. Okay. Now we can trim that line. TR for trim. Enter twice. Trim that line. Okay. Create a cycle. Pick the center point of the line and create a cycle of 3.2 units radius. Repeat the cycle command, pick same point and create another cycle of 1.4 radius, 1.4 units. Erase that line. Good. Now pick the line command again. This time around we are going to pick from this center point, right, as our starting point, then take it upward, then use the tab button to give you the angle option, to go to the angle option, then enter the angle of 75 degrees. Seven to five. Okay, we just extend this one upward. Let me take that again. Pick your line command and enter 75 degrees. Okay, escape. Now we mirror. We pick our mirror command. Mirror this line. Pick this. Enter. Now we have this. Then we are going to trim. Use our trim off this, trim off this, trim off this. Then we don't need this. Trim off this and trim off this. Okay, we still have some details to take away. This one we delete. Okay, next we are going to draw another line. We'll pick the line command. This time around we'll pick the center point and take a distance of 27. Okay, repeat the same line command. Now from the center point, this time around enter a distance of 37. Okay, then use the tab key to go to the angle, then enter the angle of 135. Good. Yes, we're good. Now you pick the arc tool, click on the arc tool, then go to start end radius. Pick the start point, this is the end point, then enter a radius of 20. Good. Now create a cycle from this point of radius 1.4 units. That's good. Now delete this line, we don't need it. Now we use the array. This is the array too, so we don't want the rectangular. We click on it, then we choose array by part array, select the object we want to array, then select the part which we want to array. Now this is exactly what we want. We end it. Now we take away this line. Good. So we have this. Now we repeat the same array. Click on this, repeat the same array, array by parts. Click, go to the array please, and now we are going to be using polar array. Click, enter, then select the center point. Good, and we are good with this. Okay, then we select this once, two, then go to same polar array, pick the center point. This time around enter the number of items, 3. We are good. Okay, so now let's change our view from top view to southeast isometric. There we have it. Now we're in southeast isometric. So what we are going to do now, we are going to pick this and pick this, then isolate, right click on isolate, then hide objects. So we have this. Now we are going to use press pull. Go to a press pull tool and hover around the objects and click, then take it upwards to a distance of 1.7 units. Press enter. There we have it. Okay, let's change our view, realistic. So orbit, there we have it. Good. Okay, right click, go to isolate, then end object isolation to bring back the ones you've isolated. So click on this one, right click and isolate and hide objects. So we don't need these ones anymore. What we do, we erase them. Now for this one, go to press pull, select in between this object, in between these two cycles, and click take down to a distance of 1.7. Okay, the press pull is still active. We pull this in between this and click down. So since we are going to do 3, we type in M for multiples, then we select all others that we need to press pull. When we are done, right click, then send it down to a distance of 1.7. We are good. Then use the press pull tool again, and press pull in between these two. Okay, this time around we use the multiple tool. Since there are 3, we go press pull, click, and click. We are done. Then press, then go down a distance of 0.4 units. 0.4 units. Press enter. We are good. It looks good. Then right click, go to isolate, then end object isolation. Now we have this. Okay, good. So we have this, right click, click on this, 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 right click, isolate hide objects. We don't need this anymore. We delete. Right click, end object isolation. Good. So here we have it. The next thing we're going to do is to fillet edge. Fillet edge, we go to solid panel, then click on the fillet edge, then click on radius, and we are going to give a radius of 0.2. Press enter. So we'll select all the edges that we need. 1, okay. Press enter twice. There we have it. Good. So we repeat the fillet command. Fillet edge, click on this edge, click on this. Okay. So that is it, we have it. Then we can assign materials to it if we wish to make it look more realistic. So what we do now next, we type materials, M, then you click on materials panel show up, then we pick on metals, then we use select this object, okay. Let's look for metallic paints, okay. Let's assign this, right click, assign, okay. Then click on this, assign, click on this, we selected this, right click and assign to selection, good. Then we can pick this, okay. Assign them, let's make use of this, it's a selection, not all, okay. Okay, let's go, assign, good. There we have it. Well, so friends, we have come to the end of this 3D modeling. If you have any questions, you can drop on the comment section, and to get the dimensions, you can check the link in the description below. Thank you. See you again in our next class.